Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Karseell Collagen hair mask. First, ensure your hair is clean by washing it with your favorite shampoo. After shampooing, gently towel dry your hair until it is damp. This helps the mask penetrate effectively. Have your Karseell mask ready, along with a wide-tooth comb for even distribution. Now, let's apply the mask. Take a generous amount of the Karseell Collagen hair mask, about 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on your hair length and thickness. Begin applying it from the mid-lengths of your hair down to the ends, ensuring every strand is coated. Use a wide-tooth comb to distribute the product evenly for best results. Once applied, let the mask work its magic. Allow it to sit on your hair for 5 to 10 minutes. For an even deeper treatment, you can cover your hair with a shower cap. This helps to trap heat and open the hair cuticles. After the recommended time, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water until all product is removed and your hair feels smooth. After rinsing, gently pat your hair dry with a soft towel to avoid damage. You can then style your hair as you normally would. You'll notice your hair feels incredibly soft, looks shinier, and is much more manageable. Regular use of the Karseell Collagen hair mask can significantly improve your hair's overall health and appearance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.